Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So I am in my garage right now, and there are just a few things that I wanted to share with you, especially since I've been doing the 14-week home organizational challenge. If you haven't been following me and you're new to my channel, my name is Shakema. I'm a single mom. I've got 4 kids, and we live our life just happy, serving the Lord, doing what we can do here, and sharing about it here on our YouTube channel and how the Lord just continues to bless us. So about 7 weeks ago, I joined a challenge sponsored by Tony Hammersley over at A Bowl Full of Lemons. And her challenge is called the 14-week home organizational challenge. She does it every first of the year. And for 14 weeks, starting at the first full week of the year, you take a different space in your house. She gives you a checklist. It's called the challenge kit. And she gives you different things you're supposed to be doing in each specific space. So we're about 7 weeks in, and we're about midway through with 7 more weeks to go. I've successfully done all 7 weeks, maybe not at the week I was supposed to do it at, but I have done it. But with that, you're decluttering, you're pulling out, you're deep cleaning, and we have accumulated some things that we have brought out of the house into the garage. In addition to that, I am learning how to coupon at CVS and Walgreens. I have not incorporated Rite Aid, but I'm thinking about Dollar General really hard in order to be able to get some personal and household items on the cheap. So with that being said, my stockpile of items is growing, and I have to find places for all of these things to go. So my garage tends to be the catch-all for everything. And I was just going to spend a little bit of time in here straightening up. I'm going to be posting some things on a Declutter Facebook group to see if we can find new homes for some things. I'm going to actually be tidying up this space, and then I'm getting a pile of things ready to be hauled off to the trash by Handy Mandy. She's coming over next week, and she will haul off all of my trash for me. So we just thought we'd bring you into our living space and show you how we are managing the clutter as we declutter.
Mom, I said we did. It's he who said he didn't.
He.
I knew I looked. You didn't look hard enough, Jackson. You have to look.
Yeah, Jackson, you didn't look hard enough, buddy.
Well, anyways, Mom, if we still found it, it would have been gone then. So
no, it would not have.
I don't use net lights anymore, so technically they're all yours.
Wait, no, Mom. When you got a new pair, you used 2. So that means because of your other one, you know, the one with the oil or something like that. So that means it's
no,
the new one.
No, that's a different one. You have to use a special oil light. You can't use a regular light bulb for that.
Well, oh yeah, you did mine again.
Oh look, I need those to go in the house, in the kitchen. Okay, everybody, so we took about 30 minutes to get some stuff squared away. The biggest thing we were trying to do was find a spot for our laundry soap. And actually we were also trying to get rid of, there was a basket and some other things. There were a couple baskets that were here in the floor. and we have successfully been able to get rid of those. Particularly here, we just put all of the donated items. These are things we're either going to donate or just trash. I have taken pictures of everything here, and then we have some picture stuff that I've taken pictures inside this laundry basket. So those things we're going to put on our declutter group. And there's also another thing that's up here, magazine rack and a couple things. Everything here is going to the trash. So when Handy Mandy comes in next week, she's taking everything there for the trash. And then we were able, if you can tell here, to get our laundry soaps in. We've got dish tabs here. We've got hair care, toothpaste, feminine items, and then all of our home, grocery items and stuff are over here. So we were able to really clear up a good space for us. This is the beginnings of our stockpile. I've had some of these things for a long time, but there were items I just did not have. And then the kids and I really needed to go through and just pretty much declutter from the decluttering. So we have a pretty decent sized trash pile. And again, we're just waiting for that to be taken away. Normally it's just get a lot of it together and then she'll come and take everything away. We still have our bikes in here. We've got some toys we have to declutter for the church. And then everything else we are happy with. So thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, it was just a simple declutter the clutter from our home organizational challenge. And then we just simply put together our shelving here. So anyway, if you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. It just says, hey, we liked your video. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing. We'd love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. And if you subscribe, also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Why don't you share this video for someone you know who needs a little bit of home organization motivation, or share our channel. That will really help us out. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next home organization challenge, bye.